Hi there, it's Kaya from Kaitko Crafts, and today I will show you how to make this shaped card that is actually a gift card holder. I will start by preparing the base. You can see this beautiful die cut that Honeybee has, and I will use this blue cardstock and I will do some tone-on-tone stamping. I will use 3 different sizes of hearts from Feeling Foxy set and from Forest Friends set. And now I will use Distress Oxide in Broken China to do some tone-on-tone stamping. I will stamp the hearts randomly on my paper, but I will make sure that the hearts are facing in the right direction. So I will now flip the paper around and just stamp it. So you can see there where the fold will be, and I will make sure that the hearts underneath are facing up as well. I will stamp a set randomly, and I always start with the biggest image and then go towards the smallest. So I will just stamp this small heart, and you can see that this goes really quickly because oxides are super rich in color, and when I die cut, this is how it looks like. Now we will use some other dies from the same set, so from this coffee cup card, and I will die cut everything that I need for my coffee shaped card. So I will use some white paper, and this is craft paper that will be this holding piece. I will also die cut these tops, and for scoring I will just make sure that I have enough of scoring line, and this is how it will look like. I will of course score our card base now, and now you can see that it actually starts looking like a card. And this is fabulous, and I love this about Honeybee shaped dice. It's so easy to put everything together. I will just use my Copics to shade these top parts just a bit to give it a nice dimension. I will be using this graced, and it will give it just enough of shading to our eyes to see the difference. Now I will start gluing everything together, and this is how I want it to be. I will do the same on both sides, and I will only show you making of the one. I will now move on, and I will use white gel pen to add some stitching on this holder piece because I just felt that it was a bit too boring without it. So I will just go around eyeballing it, and it won't be anything really special about it. So I now will take this fox that I colored in one of my previous videos for Honeybee. It's just watercolored with zigs, and I will use it on this card. Now I use my Misty and black ink to stamp a sentiment that reads "Sending a hug in a mug," even though I realized this is a cup, not a mug, but yeah. I just felt that it was super fun sentiment, and I went with it anyways. So I will just now glue these 2 pieces together that will go on the cup, and I will just make sure that everything stays as is once I put the card together. And that's why I will use my big acrylic block, and I will put it on this piece of craft, and I will wait for it to dry. I am using the liquid glue, and now I will of course move to the inside that will actually be our gift card holder. Honeybee has this beautiful die, and I cut half of the coffee shaped card, and I just trim the excess, and now I will die cut this gift card holder. And I will just remove the washi tape really carefully because this will be the inside of my card and I don't want to ruin it. So this just cuts these two flaps and you get the card inside. So when making this, you just want to make sure that you don't glue the actual flaps down to the paper. I also stamped the enjoy, so when the receiver will get it, it will says enjoy and then there will be a gift card. So I just put this fox on this craft piece and I will put this white gift card holder inside, and I will just make sure everything stays nice, and I will of course need these flaps to be up so I can put my gift card there. And yeah, this will actually be it. I will just put this foxy on top, and this is my card that is actually a gift card holder. You can see here how it looks like. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you will go to the Honeybee shop and check their fun shaped cards and of course gift card holders. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!